Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Top Collector channel for yet another video. Before we start this off today, if you guys are new to the channel, please subscribe as it would really help us to bring you the absolute best content geared towards mini car collections and help us grow. Without further ado, let's jump right in. Today, we have the Toyota GR Supra from Tomica, the regular and first edition models. I know these are 2019 models, however, I do have the new Dream Tomica Toyota Supra from the upcoming Fast and Furious movie, so I wanted to do these unboxings before, and then we're going to do a side-by-side with those ones when we get the Fast and Furious 9 Supra, so stay tuned for that one. We're going to start this off by opening up the regular version first. There we have it. Again, we have some painted headlights over here up front. I was hoping that maybe Tomica would have put plastic headlights, and I think, yeah, I have a little defect on mine. I got someone's black paint fingerprint right on the hood over there. We got the Toyota badging in the front. We have a nice new grille right over there. Again, standard Tomica wheels. I'm not too impressed with this model. The curves and lines they're not really that defined. I'm a little disappointed. I was expecting a little bit more. Like from the box, it looks really great, real beef lines, and it's really plain, even down to the color. The color is a little bit bland for this. I would have done maybe a silver and a black model for regular and first edition. I would not have picked red to be as a regular version. You have the Toyota badging in the back. You got Supra. You got the little, what is to be, I don't know what that logo is. If any of you know what that is, feel free, let me know in the comment section down below. We got painted taillights. Again, no plastic components on this except for the windshield, the rear windshield, and the side windows. Yeah, especially being JDM, I was really hoping that Tomica would have done a little bit more on their actual products, and this one does not fit their books or my standards. For this, I'm a little disappointed. Let's compare this to the first edition. I hope in the Fast and Furious one they took a little bit more and put a little bit attention to detail, being that it's a Fast and Furious collaboration. Paint job's a little better on this one right off the bat. It's like a gray silver cool steel color, more than a silvery shimmery. Again, same painted headlights, painted taillights, a little bit more pronounced. Obviously it's on silver, doesn't look too bad, but again, overall you got actually a really nicely detailed undercarriage. Yeah, but overall as a casting, I'm a little disappointed. I was expecting to have a lot more pronounced definition and lines on the model, and at least some plastic components like they have done with the other versions as well. Suspension as always. That wraps this unboxing, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If it's your first time to the channel, we would appreciate if you please subscribe. Drop a comment down below. Let us know which color was your favorite, if you like this casting, if you agree with me, disagree with me. Click that bell to get notified as soon as we drop new content. Don't forget to equally like and share this video, as it would help promote this content to others such as yourselves. Never stop collecting. As always, I'm Adrian, and we'll see you in the next one.